Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a modal using Bootstrap. Let's dive in. First I'll create the button. This is the ID of the modal element that we are going to create. Modal button. This is the ID of the modal. Here we will have three sections of the modal: header, footer, and the body. Okay, let's start with creating the header. We need some button here to close. Let's create the body section next. We have here a simple paragraph. Here modal footer. For closing. Okay, let's run this one. Clicking on this is a modal. Now by clicking on this one or this one, we can close it. Also by clicking outside, we can close the modal. Okay, if you found this video tutorial helpful, for more like this, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.